Turnhouse was interested in improving the methods for casting glass and headed up a glassworking factory. Along with being charged with the alchemical task of producing gold, Turnhouse worked on developing methods for producing glass, ceramics, and porcelain. Now, because the glass furnaces were too hot for making porcelain, Turnhouse turned to two other approaches: a burning mirror and a burning lens. In each case, the carefully made shape of the mirror or lens would focus sunlight into a small volume, creating a zone of high temperature suitable for fusing or melting various materials. Now, by aiming sunlight at different earths and minerals, Turnhouse developed a recipe for hard-paste Meissen porcelain. To achieve those higher temperatures, Turnhouse combined a large light-gathering lens with a smaller focusing one. It reportedly generated temperatures of up to 1,500 degrees Celsius, or 2,700 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt glass, and according to at least one report, hot enough to melt diamonds. But did it really reach such temperatures?
This is a clip from the third season of GEEX Talks Expanded Glass Histories. Learn about glass artists and researchers in their own voice. To watch the full lecture and access hours of content in the GEEX Talks archive, subscribe at geeks.glass/support. Want a longer preview? Check out the GEEX Talks Q&A podcast for conversations featuring speakers responding to questions from the GEEX community. These episodes are publicly available on YouTube and wherever you listen to podcasts. Meet the future of glass at geeks.glass.